The 42-inch Pendersen is an oscillating ceiling fan with a dual adjustable cage design that can focus air anywhere in your room or covered patio. The fan is damp rated for covered outdoor use and is remote control operated. The dual fan design makes it perfect for small and large spaces that are up to 16 by 16 feet. The fan can be installed on regular ceilings and ceilings with a maximum slope of 18 degrees. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that is 4 fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a stepladder, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. First, turn off power at the breaker. On the canopy assembly, twist and remove the canopy ring. Remove the 2 non-slotted mounting bracket screws. Loosen the remaining 2 slotted screws. Twist and remove the hanger bracket. On the fan motor assembly, remove the clevis pin and cotter pin. Loosen the 2 collar set screws. On the hanger ball downrod assembly, loosen the set screw and lower the ball off the downrod. Remove the cross pin and the ground lead. Feed the motor's wires through the downrod and insert it into the motor's collar. Align the holes and insert the clevis pin and cotter pin. Tighten the 2 collar set screws. Slide the coupling cover, canopy ring, and canopy onto the downrod. Reinstall the hanger ball, being sure to secure the ground lead, align the cross pin, and tighten the set screw against the side of the downrod. Use a wire stripper to shorten the length of the motor wires. At the ceiling box, loosen the 2 screws. Align and slide the hanger bracket over the screws and tighten them securely. Carefully bring the fan up to the ceiling and slide the hanger ball into the hanger bracket. Turn the fan and align the groove in the ball with the tab on the bracket. Bring the receiver up to the ceiling box. Now you can make the electrical connections. Combine the ground wires from the ceiling box, downrod, and hanger bracket together with a wire nut. Combine the white AC wire with the neutral wire in the box. Combine the black AC wire with the hot wire in the box. Connect the white wires from the receiver and the fan together. Combine the black wires from the receiver and the fan together. Combine the blue wires from the receiver and the fan together. Combine the gray wires from the receiver and the fan together. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. Slide the receiver into the hanger bracket with the flat side facing up. Slide the canopy over the hanger bracket screws and twist into place. Insert the removed screws and tighten all 4 screws securely. Slide the canopy ring over the screws and twist to lock into place. Bring the glass shade up to the LED light kit underneath the motor. Press and turn until snug. Power can now be restored at the breaker. The installation is complete and the fan is now ready to operate. To avoid interference from other fans or devices, the remote and receiver frequencies can be changed. Flip the codes in the receiver and in the battery compartment of the remote to create a new matching frequency. The dip switch codes must match or the fan will not function. Install the remote's included battery to begin using the fan. Use the speed buttons to set the dual cage fans to high, medium, or low speed. Use the rotation button to activate the 3 RPM rotation function. Note that the rotation function will only activate if the fans are running. Use the off button to turn off the fan and rotation functions. Use the light button to toggle the LED light kit on or off. Holding the button allows you to cycle through the different brightness settings. The angle of the cages can be adjusted to focus air downward or outward. With the fan assembly turned off, rotate the D-core handle to loosen the fan cage. Move the cage to the desired angle, then rotate the D-core handle clockwise until tightened to hold the cage in place. If the cage feels difficult to adjust, loosen the D-core handle further to avoid breaking the fan arm. Some versions of the fan will have a D-core handle without a center hole. For these fans, adjust the cage angle by completely removing the D-core handle and rubber ring. Remove the fix screw and adjust the cage angle. Then reinstall the fix screw and reassemble the rubber ring and D-core handle. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. If you want more details or have any questions, call the number in your owner's manual. Thank you for watching.